Hi guys! In today's video, I just wanted to take a moment to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. And if this is your first time here, an extra special welcome is coming out to you. My name is Marlene, and this is Marlene's How To's, my home and garden channel. So whether you celebrate Thanksgiving or not, it's a very good time of year to just sit back and think about it and just be thankful for all the wonderful things that you have and that you enjoy. And since we're talking about thanks, I just want to say a special thank you to all of my wonderful viewers and subscribers who have been so faithful to me since I've started this channel. I appreciate you all so much. Every time you watch one of my videos and those wonderful comments that you leave me from time to time, it definitely helps to make my day, and you support me in so many other ways. And just bear in mind, guys, to try to keep the Thanksgiving as stress-free as possible. I did link a video below, one of my live videos that's going to show you, to prepare step by step just to keep it at a low stress level, because sometimes, guys, typically preparation is the key to help you to get your things resolved. I'm also going to be showing you right here how I decorated my baker's rack. You can basically look at it and see if it inspires you in any way to decorate maybe shelves in your kitchen or any other room in your home, or maybe your living room and our kitchen counter, maybe your kitchen island or anything like that. So I hope that it will inspire you and give you some great ideas. And I'm also going to be lighting a little candle over there. It's a nice pumpkin spice candle and it smells so good. So guys, just relax, enjoy the holiday season. Thanks again so much for watching, and I hope you'll enjoy the rest of this video. So this is it right here, guys. I was going for the rustic farmhouse look, and as you can see, I basically used the warm colors of fall with white accents here and there. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at what I used. And as I always say, try to shop at home, try to use things that you already have to save some money. And so I had these flowers here for quite some time. I've used them in quite a few arrangements before. They have that very deep yellow tending to go towards orange color, which I think is perfect for this season. And over here we have some cattails. So I thought that was a very good match there. And those flowers were actually from the dollar store. I got them some time ago, but I thought that they tied in very nicely and they held up really well. And you can see that I used the plaid ribbon there to help to bring that kind of farmhouse look in. And then over here I have this beautiful pick. I got this from Walmart, and I just love that they use that velvet to make the pumpkin. I just love the texture, and it just gives it that nice sheen, that helps it to pop some more. And of course, they had a little berries and the autumn leaf on there that tied in really well. And for the candle stands, you can see that I used, something that was more rustic, and I like how it matches the metal that is used to make the baker's rack, so it kind of tied in together. And down here now we have this wonderful gravy bowl, and I got this from Old Time Pottery. I've had this for a few years as well too, and I just love the fruits that are on display right there, your apples, pears, grapes, and so on. This is a Gibson, and it's held up really well, and the base that comes with it, the matching base, is just so nice. It just gives it that extra special look, and it helps, with drips and spills. It prevents those things from happening. And over here we have this beautiful sign that my husband actually made. He had wood left over from a job that he was doing, and so he went ahead and painted the decal from the dollar store and just attached it onto there. Of course, he painted the wood first in that color that matches over there. So I thought that was really cute. It came out really good. Over here we have some nice pumpkins of different colors, and that was from Old Time Pottery. And I went ahead and placed them in the bowl. I put a little stand in there, a little riser in there, so that I wouldn't have to use as many. And of course, you can always mix and match them any way you like. You can, put them wherever you like, just to get the color combinations going. But I felt this looked better, at the back, so I put it right back there and just kind of like, tweaked it here and there. So I thought that was really nice. And so this is for the middle row of it. And then down here now I have my tureen, another Old Time Pottery purchase, and I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but I do like quite a few of the items that they have, and I truly believe in mixing and matching your items. And so let's take a look. And this actually holds the heat very well, so like if you have soups or stews, it's really good, and it has the ladle inside there as well. So I thought that definitely, spoke to the whole autumn feel. So I used that there. So guys, I hope you're liking it so far. And if you've never subscribed to my channel, I do hope that you will hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell for future home and garden topics. And look at this beautiful scenery over here, guys. Isn't that wonderful? I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and get our candles lit so we can get that nice pumpkin spice smell coming out. This was from a dear friend of mine, and I just love how it smells. And you can tell me the different apple fragrance smells that you candle fragrance smells that you like. There's always spiced apple cider, pumpkin butter, and so many different ones. This was just a little simple arrangement that I thought would pair up really nicely with it. And of course, always be careful where you put your candles, when they're lit. When you put them next to something else, you want to be looking out for that. And don't ever go asleep with your candles lit. Always put them out before you do. So I hope that these gave you some great inspiration for the holidays. I thank you so much for tuning in. Please be sure to check out my live video that I did a few weeks ago to help you to prepare and just keep stress-free for the Thanksgiving holidays. And I hope you'll have a wonderful time with your family and you return for more of my videos. Thank you all so much and have a wonderful day. Take care.